Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when Roblox game is not downloading on Microsoft Store on Windows 11 computer. Now to fix this, the first step is to sign out and sign in again on Microsoft Store. So on the top right on Microsoft Store you can see a profile icon. Click on it, then click on sign out, and then again click on your profile icon, then click on sign in, and then select your account, then click on continue, and then enter the password, the pin or password. So enter your pin or password over here and then click on sign in. And once logged in, you can go ahead and try to install the game once again. Now still you are facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and make sure date and time is correct on your computer. So on the bottom right here, you can see the date and time. So make sure date and time is correct. If it is not correct, make a right click on date and time and then click on adjust date and time. And then click on date and time and then set the time automatically. So make sure this is on, and you can go ahead and select the right time zone from here. Now you can also click on additional clock and then click on date and time, and you can click on change date and time. So if the time is not correct or date is not correct, you can go ahead and select month and year from the top. So when you slide, you can go ahead and change month and year, and you can select the date from here, and you can also correct your time from here. You can go ahead and change the time over here, then click on OK. In my case, the time is right, so I will not click on OK. I will just cancel it. So click on OK. You can also change the time zone from here. Click on change time zone and select the right time zone as per your region, and then click on OK. And after this, you can go ahead and try to install the game. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and try installing the apps from library. So open Microsoft Store, and on the bottom left here you can see the library option. Click on it and you will see your game over here. So you can go ahead and try to install the game from your library. So go ahead and find the game in your library, and in front of it you will see the install option. So you can go ahead and click on install. So try to install the game from library. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and run Windows Store troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu and then click on settings to open Windows 11 settings, and then go to system and scroll down. Here you can see the troubleshoot option. Click on troubleshoot, then click on other troubleshooter and scroll down. Over here you can see Windows Store apps, and then here you can click on run. And once the troubleshoot is complete, you can go ahead and try to install the game once again. Now the next step is to clear store cache using ws reset command. So you can go ahead and type in ws reset in Windows search box and then click on ws reset. Click on it and you will see this black screen. Do not close this black screen. This black screen will go away automatically and it will open Microsoft Store. Now over here you can see the black screen is gone and it's opening Microsoft Store, and then you can start downloading the game. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and update Windows 11. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to Windows Update, and then click on check for update. And once the update is installed, restart your computer and then try to download your game once again. Now the next step is to reset store app. For this, go to the start menu and then open Windows 11 settings, then go to apps. Now click on apps and features. Now in the search box, you can go ahead and type in store and then click on Microsoft Store. Click on three dots over here and then click on advanced options. Scroll down. Over here you can see the reset option. So click on reset. Again click on reset. And once the reset is done, you can go ahead and open Microsoft Store once again and then try to install Roblox. The next step is to restart these services. For this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find Windows Update in the list. Scroll down. Here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Make sure startup type is set to automatic and then click on apply. If start is highlighted, click on start and then click on OK. With Windows Update selected over here, click on restart the service. Do the same thing with Microsoft Store install service. Make a double click and then make sure startup type is set to automatic, then click on apply. If start is highlighted, click on start, and with Microsoft Store install service selected over here, click on restart the service. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click over here, make sure startup type is set to automatic, then click on apply. If start is highlighted, click on start and then click on OK. Now with this selected over here, click on restart the service, and now you can go ahead and try to open Microsoft Store and then install the game. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and run this command to re-register the store app. So for this, copy this command. The command is provided in the video description, and open PowerShell. So you can go ahead and type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator to open PowerShell, or you can make a right click on the start menu and then click on Windows terminal and then click on yes to allow, and make sure that you're opening Windows terminal as an administrator and then click on this drop down option, then click on Windows PowerShell and then paste it over here, then hit the enter key. This will go ahead and re-register the Microsoft Store and then you can try to open Microsoft Store. The next step is to uninstall and reinstall Store. For this, again, you can open PowerShell. You can go ahead and type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on the Windows PowerShell, then click on run as administrator, or you can open Windows terminal and then click on this drop down and then click on Windows PowerShell and then copy the first command. This will go ahead and uninstall Microsoft Store from your computer. So paste it over here, hit the enter key, and once this is done, if you type in store this time, you won't find Microsoft Store over here. Now after this, you go ahead and restart your computer. So go to the start menu, then click on the power icon, then click on restart, and after the system restart, you can go ahead and run this command. So you can go ahead and open PowerShell as I told you, or you can open Windows terminal and then click on this drop down option over here, then click on Windows PowerShell over here, then hit the enter key, and this will go ahead and reinstall Microsoft Store. So next time when you type in store after running this command, Microsoft Store will be available and you can go ahead and use Microsoft Store. Now in case in PowerShell, if this command is giving you any kind of error message, in that case you can go ahead and run this command in PowerShell. This command is supposed to run in PowerShell only, so you have to open PowerShell separately. In case if you don't have Windows terminal, you can make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow and paste the command over here and hit the enter key. Now in my case, it's already installed, so that's why I'm receiving this error. In your case, it will work and it will go ahead and reinstall Microsoft Store. The next step is to run DISM and SFC command. So you can go ahead and open command prompt. So type in CMD in Windows search box and then make a right click on command prompt tab, then click on run as administrator. So just type in CMD over here and then make sure that you're opening command prompt as an administrator, or you can open Windows terminal, make a right click Windows terminal admin and then click on yes. And then you can click on this drop down option and then click on command prompt and then you can go ahead and run this command over here, paste it over here, hit the enter key, and once this scan is 100% complete, you run the second command. So once this is 100% complete, copy the second command and then run the command over here, and once the second scan is 100% complete, you can go ahead and restart your computer and then you can go ahead and try to use Microsoft Store. Now the next step is to run inetcpl.cpl command. For this, you can go ahead and type in inetcpl.cpl in Windows search box, then click on inetcpl.cpl. Now click on advanced option, go to the advanced tab and scroll down and make sure use TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, all are checked over here. So if any one of them is unchecked, go ahead and check. So just make sure that TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 is checked and then click on apply, OK, and then try to use Store. Now in case if nothing is working, you can go ahead and reset Windows 10. For this, go to the start menu and then open Windows 11 settings. Now before you perform reset, make sure that you create a backup of your data, because during the reset you might lose all the data on the computer. So just create a backup and then go for reset. Now open Windows 11 settings, then go to Windows Update. Now over here, click on Advanced Options, then click on Recovery. Now over here you can see the reset option, so click on reset, and after you click on reset you will get two options. One is keep my files, one is remove everything. So you can go ahead and select the option and then follow the on-screen instruction to reset your computer, and after the reset you have to go ahead and set up your computer once again and you have to start it from the scratch, and then you can go ahead and use Microsoft Store. So one of the steps should definitely help you to download and install the Roblox game on your computer without any issue. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.